Had a chance to take a look at the radio and contemplate a few wiring repairs. This main power cord is soldered right there and in there, and I'm going to attempt to unsolder that, and I have another cord here that I'm going to try to put in there, and we'll see how that goes. I got it all cleaned up, and I did some really shoddy wiring repair back there. I did put the new cord on, soldered that in. I just put some liquid tape on some of those. It's basically antenna wires are damaged, and this thing really needs to be completely rewired, but I don't have really time for that. But put a little bit of that liquid tape on some of the big damaged areas. Maybe that'll help preserve the rest of it. It is working yet.
Ruled the Kansas Supreme Court. Though some other courts...
So, looking pretty good. The one thing I found is that this bulb here that lights up the dial, it's a GE47. I looked it up online. It changes to a different number. I called Batteries Plus Bulbs. They're going to have to call around and see if they can find one. An old automotive dash, like for the dashboard bulbs, I think they would work, except the size of the bulb part won't allow it to go inside that. It's got to be thin and narrow to slide in there. So for right now, I'm done with it. We'll have to see if they can come up with something. I should know later on today if he can get one, so we'll go from there. Well, I was able to get a little bit of clear satin on this. The veneer was a little bad on one side. The top's pretty good. It's got some stains in it I couldn't get out, but it's kind of a quickie. And I got a couple other things to do. There's this front plastic piece that goes in there, and it's not in real good shape. And it's got these tiny little tacks. I don't know if you can even see that thing that hold it in, but it did clean up pretty good. It was pretty dirty, but I'm going to try to put that in. And I cleaned that piece of cloth that goes in the back there for the speaker, and we'll start putting it back together. I was able to finally get those little baby tacks in there. Man, was that a pain in the butt. But I got them in. And I cleaned this cloth here. I tried some all fabric bleach, and it came out pretty good. It don't look too bad. A lot better than it did. I'm going to let that glue dry a little bit, and then we'll pop that back in there. I got the speaker cloth back in place. And I put that on also. I think got that back on. So it's looking pretty good. It's not perfect. It's just a quickie repair here. So when they get that bulb, and we'll put her back together. Fun little project.